Hi friends, you must subscribe our channel. We are posting daily videos about latest exams. Today I am telling you LIC AAO main result 2019 declared check step by step process. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Main job to get latest update about exam result answer. Here's the detail. LIC AAO result 2019 Life Insurance Corporation of India LIC has released the AAO main result 2019. All those who appeared in the exam can download their result through the official website licindia.in. So guys, note down the official website licindia.in. I will provide you the link in the description. LIC AAO main exam 2019 was conducted on 28th June 2019 across the country to fulfill 590 vacancies. So number of vacancies is 590 vacancies of AAO. The result of Assistant Administrative Officer. The post name is Assistant Administrative Officer and the stream is Journalist, IT, Chartered Accountant, Actual and Rajbhasha. Is available on the website of LIC. Candidate can check the result by following the steps given. I am telling you the steps how to download LIC AAO main result 2019. Official website licindia.in. Navigate the link LIC AAO main result 2019 flashing on the homepage. Enter the required credential and click on submit button. The result will be displayed. LIC AAO main result 2019 generalist. Download LIC AAO main result 2019 C and LIC AAO main result accurate. So guys, this is the update. Visit the official website of LIC India. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will provide you the information as soon as released. You will be the first one to know. Subscribe my channel to get the latest update related to the exams. If you have any information, any query, please share in the comments. Thanks for watching my videos. Stay updated, stay tuned, stay ahead. My purpose is to provide you short videos and latest information. If any one of the candidate have any query, don't hesitate to ask your question in the commenting box. So guys, I will provide you the link in the description. From there you can directly check the result. Thank you.